How to fix Snapchat camera problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and here type here Snapchat, click on it and then go to storage and here first click clear cache and then go to permissions and here we'll find camera. We'll find it like that. You will find it here, click on it and click allow and that's it. Now just go back and now just restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.